How to change Shopify store URL name simple. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about changing our Shopify store URL. So let's get straight into it. So to allow yourself to do this, you're going to go into your Shopify store settings. And once you've gone into your store settings, what you're going to do from here is you're obviously going to go into your profile section. Now in your profile section over here, you can see your store name and stuff, but obviously your store URL will not appear here. Your store URL can obviously be changed through one place only, and that is your domains. Okay, so you're going to come over to domains, and here is your domain. Now, as you can see, your Shopify URL is your domain over here, and to change the domain, you're going to need to connect to a new domain or buy a new domain. So you can connect to an existing domain that you already have, okay? Or you can buy a new domain that you can, buy on Shopify. So let's say I'm going to buy a domain called .com. Okay, I'm just going to write that, and it's going to give you all these domains that are available. So just buy these, and that is how you're going to keep a new store URL. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.